ACS TV, man.
About they cut, we got these 9 Glock up in they guts, letting them smoke. Who wanna play before a joke? It's the truth, packing twin groups. Mr. Don't make a move, but I show my proof. I'm quick to do your angry dust. Got a nigga's mind feeling strange. 90 proof that's in the sick dose. Up to young pimpin' brain and got a player stressed out. 100 miles and run. Low to the brain off good green lace with hunt. It's Reggie Glock, Mac-a-lot representing, baby. Pulling my pistol when motherfuckers out the fake. I'm rolling with that ACS, click brain pain. It's a shame that I'm willing to die for this game. Motherfuckers can't fade me. Addicted to weed smoke, so mama think I'm crazy. But us niggas get figures all the time on the grind. I'm with that dusty road, nigga can't fall behind. Interstate trade every motherfucking day. Call Punchline King and get the killer cake. Blow big with that ACS and DJ Max. Hit big text up for the green sack.
See, I'm a tribe chief, these boys native Indians. See, they the snitch type. And see me, I'm about that citizen. Execute the plan and kill them all without no witnesses. And then I'm out the roof and dropping top and handling business, man. ACS the fam, Hemp House the click, east side, north side, niggas trying to get rich. Motherfucker bitch, me, I'm trying to hit a lick. Keep the chrome on my side in case I gotta blast a bitch. Yeah, and a nigga about to switch his swag. Air Hardy jeans fitting type of red rag, nigga. And I ain't claiming Bang Hill. It's about the fucking green, have a nice year. 08 to 09, stack 100 crate. Nigga slipped on the mic, but I don't slip and fight. See, I bust that motherfucking cannon, have your motherfucking guts exposed like a cup of Dannon. And I'm at it, drop top and sliding out. Me and my motherfucking clique, we got a hideout. And ain't no honeycombs, just big stacks of paper fold. And niggas disrespect, then we tagging niggas told. I let them know who it be, it's Dusty on the fly. Interstate trade, nigga, fuck what you buy. It's wholesale here, then it's on the retail. All across the fucking 50 states, that's how I get mail. Well, sucker niggas better fall back before I have to get my team and call a phone and plant a jack. Real spit, nigga, I heard you got them pills. A nigga smiling around here, Mikey'll get killed. And that's for real, nigga. Don't play with fucking roll. I came for $20, bitch, 5 will get you blowed.